हेलो, गुड मॉर्निंग बच्चों। हेलो। अ, पिछले वीडियो में मैंने बताया था कि रेंज और टोटल टाइम ऑफ फ्लाइट मैंने कैसे निकाला था प्रोजेक्टाइल मोशन का। इस वीडियो में हम सीखेंगे कि अ, 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 इस वीडियो में हम मैक्सिमम हाइट निकालेंगे और देखेंगे कि किस एंगल पर हमें मैक्सिमम रेंज मिलता है। ओके ओके बच्चों, you can see this is the projectile motion. This is the path of the projectile motion and this is the y axis. You can see clearly this is the x axis, and I throw if any object, suppose this velocity is u and this is theta. In the previous video I calculated um, time of flight. Yeah, please remember बच्चों, time of flight. Okay, I calculate this thing in previous video. Time of flight, this is equal to 2u sin theta divided by g, and range, formula of range, this is equal to u square sin 2 theta divided by g. बच्चों, you can also write sin 2 theta is what? 2 sin theta into cos theta. You can write this thing also like 2 sin theta into cos theta divided by g. बच्चों, in this video we will calculate maximum height. Okay बच्चों, I told you already, suppose uh, if you have to find velocity in the horizontal direction, this is u cos theta, and acceleration along the x direction, this is 0, and velocity along the y, initial velocity along the y direction, and this is u sin theta, and acceleration along the y, this is equal to minus g. I told you this thing already in previous video. Okay, in this video I will calculate the maximum height. Okay बच्चों, now maximum height, you can say in this diagram, this is the maximum height. Now we apply now we will apply the equation of motion from this point. This is, let's say this point is 1 and this point is 2. Okay बच्चों, now by using equation of motion, we know बच्चों v square, this is equal to u square plus 2as. Okay बच्चों, now I apply the equation of motion between point 1 to point 2. Okay बच्चों, now tell me what is the final velocity if the object reaches at the maximum height, and this is velocity, this is equal to 0, and what is the velocity बच्चों, I apply the equation of motion along the y axis. Along in which direction we apply the equation of motion? Along the y direction. Then tell me what is the velocity along? You can also write like this, vy equal to uy square plus 2ay into sy. Okay बच्चों, and tell me what is the velocity, initial velocity along the y direction, and this is u sin theta. Okay, and 2 into, tell me बच्चों what is the acceleration along the y direction, and this is minus g, and sy, what is the sy, and this is the maximum height what we have to find. Okay बच्चों, if you have any doubt, please you can comment in my comment section, I will reply. Okay, this is 0, this is u square sin square theta minus 2gh. Okay बच्चों, now this is simple calculation, nothing more. This is not so difficult if you understand what is the velocity in xl, what is the velocity along x direction, along y direction, then it's easy, you can easily find. It's not like a rocket science. You can write like maximum height, this is equal to u square sin square theta, and this is divided by 2g। ओके बच्चों, ठीक है। नाउ वी विल फाइंड my second question is tell me like at what angle from the horizontal we throw the ball such that we attain the maximum height। okay बच्चों, now you know differentiation। okay, now what is the formula of range? This is equal to u square sin 2 theta divided by 2g। I told you already बच्चों। now what we do, we differentiate dr divided by in dr divided by d theta। okay बच्चों, now tell me what is the differentiation of u square? This is bro बच्चों, now we differentiate dr divided by d theta। okay, this is we can this is u square into 2 sin theta into cos theta divided by 2g, and you can write this like u square sin theta into cos theta divided by g। okay बच्चों, if you have any problem then you comment in my comment section। okay, I will reply him। okay, okay बच्चों, this is simple like now you have to d upon d theta, this is equal to sin theta into cos theta। okay, tell me what is the differentiation of uv? you know this is the simple like derivative of dy and dt of uv, you know like u dash v plus u v dash, you read this thing in mathematics। okay, now tell me what we can write up here। this is u square divided by g, this is the constant part, this is sin theta, and what is the differentiation of cos theta बच्चों? this is minus sin theta plus cos theta into what is the differentiation of sin theta? this is cos theta। what you can write here बच्चों? this is equal to 0। I am telling again, if you have any problem in differentiation then you can it's just I use this formula, it's not rocket science। now you can write this is sin square theta, this is equal to cos square theta। बच्चों you can also this is equal to sin theta, this is equal to cos theta। I am taking a square root on the both side। now बच्चों you can say like sin theta is equal to cos theta, like you can sin theta this is equal to cos theta। what you can write बच्चों? cos theta this is equal to sin pi by 2 minus theta। okay बच्चों, you can write like this, theta equal to pi by 2 minus theta,